We finally have a Yamaha Tenere 700 on the lift here at Cyclopedia for repair manual production. And this bike came with lowering links from, let's see, this is just what it came with. We're not affiliated. Lowering links from ruggedroads.com, it says in the bag. And they're supposed to lower the bike 20 millimeters. So let's do a comparison between the stock and these lowering links and see if you really notice that much of a difference, because I prefer a bike at the regular height myself, even though I'm very short. So let's check it out. All right, this is the standard height of this bike. Okay, tippy toes, but not terrible. I'm always on my tippy toes. Like I said, I'm short. So, but like with 1 foot up, moving it around, yeah, I got no problem with this the way it is. All right, so let's put the other lowering links on, and then we'll see what that feels like. Okay, let's try this out. The lowering link's installed, so we should have 20 millimeter lower seat height here. And yeah, 20 millimeters isn't much. I don't really notice that big of a difference. Maybe it'll give you a tiny bit of confidence, but this is just a big, tall bike. It's not that heavy. I mean, I think, like, I'm 5'9". I said I was short. I didn't say how short. And after riding this some and getting used to it, I'm good with it at stock height. I don't think I would bother, because then you start affecting your geometry, your suspension when you lower it. So it is lower with the lowering link, but it's not that big a difference. I just ride it the way it came.